Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Last time, we were able to do our GA up to this point. So today, let's see how we can complete this our GA. Is that okay? Which from there, we now proceed to ProtaStructure. Is that okay? All right. So in case you have not watched the introduction and part 1A, part 1A talks about what we have done now. So this is part 1B, which is still on GA. Is that okay? And we are going to complete this GA now. Is that okay? Okay, so that next class will now be entering into what? Into ProtaStructure. All right. Having positioned all these columns, in case you have not watched the previous video, for better understanding, I will say you should go and watch that part 1A. Is that okay on this? Okay, this is a hotel building. So what we are going to be doing now is to now, follow the principle or the rules to have our columns and what do you call it, panels. Is that okay? All right. So let's come and look at this place first. If you look at this place now, we are going to be having something here. Can you see this place? Can you see this place? This dot here. So I'll click on it. This duct or yes, duct. So I'll click on CP or CO, enter, and then come here from this point here, and then I'll put it here. So which means that I'm going to have a beam, for a small cantilever beam here to now have this shape, isn't it? All right. So that is that. So, but when I get to ProtaStructure, since it's just for only this place, is that okay? Is it for all? Yes, also for the two sides, okay? So I can allow it to go through, isn't it? If not, I will have reduce it. Is that okay? Okay. So now let's start let's confirm our panel, because definitely let's start from here like this. From this point to this point, this is 6. Am I correct? 6.15 by 4 point some, that's less than 30 square meters. Am I correct? So let's even calculate it first. Is that okay? Let's calculate it first and then know what to do. Come to this place again. Why is it lagging? Come here again and come. What do we have? Okay, this is what we have. So I'll bring up my calculator now. So let's see what we have. We are going to get from this calculation. 6.150 multiplied by 4.425 gives us what? 27, less than 30 square meters, isn't it? Okay, so which is okay. So this one now we are going to form a panel here. Is that okay? So on that note now, I'll take this one, pick this one now, CP, enter. From here now, let me pick from this edge, okay, and put it on this edge here. Okay, can you see what I have now? So I'm going to change the color of this. Is that okay? I'm going to change the color of this. Let me use a color that will be okay. Okay, let's use this color here. Is that okay? So likewise, I'm going to run it all through. Is that okay? Since I'm going to run it all through, I'll just click on this one now, EX, that's extend. Then come here now and click on this one. So you can see it now. Can you see it? So this is what I'm having. Or if you like, you can just do it from column to column. Is that okay? They are all the same because you're going to run all through. Is that okay? From this point to this point, and from here to this place, and from here to this point here, isn't it? So now, since that's what I have now, I'm going to extend this. Is that okay? I'm going to extend this particular one. I'll click on this, click on this, delete this one, and come here, click on this. I'm going to have a what do you call extend, enter. From here like this one also, then choose this color and match the property. Is that okay? No flavor, there is no columns there, isn't it? So, or no walls. So this is what I'm going to be having, and also extend this one to this other side. EX, enter. Extend this. I have extend this. Is that okay? Also, what I have here is what I'm going to be having here. So CP, enter. From this edge here, let me put it on this edge here. Okay, this is what I'm going to be having, and I don't want no. The answer is no. Undo. Is that okay? So I'm going to have this one here, escape. Then click on this and this, then CP, enter. From this point here, I want it on this place. Is that okay? So I will extend this one, and we have another option. Is that okay? We have another option. I think for you to balance, what if I carry this one here? M, enter, or let me say no, not M, CP, let me copy first, CP, enter from this point now to this point. Is that okay? So only have a little to this place, but this place will not be what? In form of a small cantilever here. No, I don't want it. So let's leave it this way. So then EX, enter. Let's have this one like this. Correct. Okay. I have this one now. So this one becomes my panel, 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 isn't it? So that is fine. And also this one we also run through, isn't it? Should I extend it? Should I extend it? I can try to leave it. Is that okay? Let me just leave it. Is that okay? Let me leave it. Let me leave it. Let me do something. TR, enter. I have this. I have this. Sorry, I have this one. So can you see it now? I think it's looking like what we are expecting, isn't it? So you can trim this one, 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 trim this one. You can see what we are having, isn't it? So that is that. Okay, I can also come here now and try to extend this one, because this one has given me a panel. Is that okay? This one I'm going to do to the end. So let's now see. That's what we are having. So I can make this one also. Let me see. From here, from this point to this point, it's just 8. It's just 8, and it's one way. Is that okay? Well, it's one way. We can try to make it one panel. This place like this as a panel. Is that okay? As a panel. So which means I'm going to be having this extension here. I can have this extension here. Let me remove this one. Okay, let me remove this door. Then I can now click on this one, then and this one, then EX, enter. Then click on this, click on this. Okay, that's panel. Okay, let me complete this one now. Let's check, let's confirm here. From this point to this point, this is 4. And you know that for us to have a 30 square meter, it's going to be something like 6 by 5, isn't it? 6 by 5, something like that. So this is already 4. 4 by what? 4 by 5. Am I correct? But that's about 20 plus. So automatically this plate can be what? A panel. Is that okay? I can try to make this one a complete panel. Is that okay? So which means I'm going to remove this. But I will leave it. But in my own, during my own, what do you call it? I'll just come here now in ProtaStructure. I know what to do. So I'll just make it a panel. The most important thing is this. Let me remove this one. Okay. Let me remove this one. What's happening? Okay, then click on this one, then EX, enter, then extend this one, extend this. Is that okay? Come here, escape. I can now remove this window. Is that okay? Or this one here, I can remove it and make it a single panel. Is that okay? A single panel. What's happening? Let me select this one like this. Can I select like this? Okay, let me just leave it. Let me click on this, then EX, enter, come here. Okay, that's good. So now come here now, TR, trim this one up. We know that this one is a dodge, isn't it? So this one is a panel for us, isn't it? It's one panel for us. Is that okay? It's one panel for us. This is a panel for us. That's one panel. So all of this we are going to remove them. Is that okay? So that will click on it, right click and remove all this thing, which we can do that one, isn't it? So that is fine. Come to this other one again. I have this one from here to this one, the same thing, and also here the same thing, less than 20 square meters. So I also come here now, remove this one, then EX, enter, correct, and this one, this is another panel. Automatically we know that this one is a panel, isn't it? It's another, it's a panel on its own, isn't it? So this place also, I'm going to have it as what? As a panel. I'm going to have it as a panel. Sorry, I'm going to have it as a panel. Then what do? I remove these ones. Is that okay? Remove this, then click on this, and then EX, enter. So extend this, and this one. Is that okay? So now, let me see, let me confirm something first. From this point to this point, this is 2.4 something by 4 point something. That's about 8 or 10, maximum 10, isn't it? So this one is automatically a panel. This one is automatically a panel, so I remove this one. I remove this one here. I remove this ones here. Is that okay? So also remove this one. Then click on this one. Then EX, enter. So from here like this, and also extend this one. EX, enter. Then extend this one. Can you see now I have a panel here also? I have this panel. I have this panel. So that is fine. So now coming to this place now. The formation of this panel, the formation of this particular panel will be determined by the next floor. So let's just wait for it for now. So now let me remove this one. This is a kitchen cabinet or whatever. So let me remove this. Sorry. Come up. Close. Then delete. And also this one. Is that okay? So now I can decide to now have this one here instead of me having this one here and this place now. So let's confirm this area. Let's confirm this place now. From this point, this is a 5.4 by this. That's about almost 5. That's 25, almost the same 27, isn't it? Which you can also leave it as what? As a panel. That's from this place now, isn't it? Which then means I can decide to move this one from here. Is that okay? We can decide to remove this one from here. Let's see what we are having here on this other side. Okay, we are having a wall here. We are having something here. Is that okay? And this one also a wall here. So since we are having a wall here, can you see this place, which is the same thing like this place now? Is that okay? We are having a wall here, so we are going to leave it. Is that okay? We are going to decide. We decide to leave it, isn't it? Let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. Is that okay? Because what we are doing, we are trying to see how we can have a kind of alignment. Is that okay? So if you check this place now, let's now confirm this place first. This is 4, this is 5 point something, and also from here is 5 point something. That's 25. Then what do we have here? Let's click on this from here to this place. So now let's have it. We have a 5.475 multiplied by 5.025 gives us what? 27. Am I correct? 27.5. That's 27.5. So it's 27.5. Let me cancel this one. We have a 0.675 multiplied by 5.025 gives us what? 3. That's about 30, more than 30 square meters, isn't it? It's already more than 30 square meters. So it then means that instead of me having this one here, and this one's already 7, I can try to move this one and put it here. If I move this one and put it here, I can have my slab resting on this particular beam, isn't it? I can have my slab resting on this particular beam. So I'll come here now on this particular place, isn't it? So CP, sorry, it's supposed to be M. Let me cancel. It's supposed to be M. Enter from this point to this point here. Is that okay? So I have this one like this. So I can now remove this one. I can remove this one. So I have this one now like this. Okay. So that's that aspect. So coming back again. Don't worry, we are still coming back to this place. So this one now, I'm going to extend this place all through. Is that okay? I'm going to have a beam running through this place. Then I'll say L, enter from this point here, or let me just extend. Let me extend it and trim it off. EX, enter. Then extend this one here, and this one here. Then TR, enter. Then from here, trim this one, isn't it? I have this one. I can also come here, trim this one, sorry. EX, enter. Okay, let me see. Okay, undo it. Okay. All right, so let me click on this one here. I think it's okay like this. Okay, and the same thing I have here, I'm going to have it on this other side here. Is that okay? On this other side here, let me click on this and remove this. Is that okay? Okay, before I remove it, we have not gotten to that place, so let me finish this one first. So I'll not be as if I'm jumping. L, enter from this place now to this point here. Then click on this, then match the property with this, then click on this CP, or CO, enter. So from here now, I have to this point here, good and fine. So now, definitely looking at this one, I'll connect this one and this one. Okay, let me see if I can connect this one. Let me see if I can connect this one, this, then CP, enter. From the edge of this column, let me say I have it here. I have it here. I also have it here. Is that okay? So then come here now, EX, enter. Click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this. Is that okay? So in this case now, we also look at where we can also have it here, isn't it? Also have it here. Let's look at the distance. From this point is one way to this point, 7 point something. We can also have another one here. So I click on this one and this one, CP, enter. Then come here again and drop it here. Okay, I shall pick it from the downside. Let me click on this one, CP, enter. Sorry, CP, enter. And come here now, pick from here and come to where is that? Okay, here, and put it here. Good and fine. Is that okay? Also, from this point now, also we have finished with this place. We want to do this this line. Is that okay? And you know that this place is a passage, isn't it? It's a passage. It's a passage. So that is that. Okay, so come to this place again. Let me extend this one. Let me remove this one. Sorry. From here, then click on this one. Then click on this. Then EX, enter. Then I have it here like this. Okay, click on this one. Remove it. So you can see I'm forming the panels. Is that okay? So this one will come back to this place, isn't it? All right. So now come here again. Where can I have this one? Okay, I can have this one here or here. Is that okay? This one definitely is going to come this way. Let me pick this one. Then click on this one again. CP, enter. From here now, from here, let's make first of all cover this one here. Okay, I have it there. And then where can I have this one? Can I have it here or here? Whichever way, it's also okay. Is that okay? It's okay, structurally okay. Let me just put it here. Is that okay? That's fine. Okay, so I have this one now. As you can see, we have formed the panel here from up now up to this place, isn't it? So that is fine. Now coming to this place again. Let's also confirm something. Let's confirm here. From here to this place, 4 point something by what? By 4 point something. That's still less than 30 square meters. Automatically, the entire thing is going to be removed. Is that okay? So I'm going to remove this one. Click on this, remove this. Okay, select all of this thing, remove it, and select all of this one, remove. Is that okay? So come here now, I click on this place and try to remove all of this as one that can be selected, and this one also. You can see what we are doing. So this is how you go about it. Then this one, remove this one, remove this one, because I'm going to run my beam all through this place. Is that okay? I'm going to run my beam all through, because there's no how. If I want to put another column to form this shape, it will not be too nice. We're having too much of columns around this this place or this edge here. Is that okay? This one cannot come here as a cantilever. I don't want such. This one can be shifted. Is that okay? You can shift this one. So I'm going to run my beam all through. Is that okay? I'll run my beam. During construction, that one can be taken care of. Is that okay? During construction, that one can be taken care of. That one can be taken care of. Sorry. Yes. Let me remove this. Is that okay? Then EX, enter. Click on this. This one also. Sorry. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, I have this one here. Then EX again. ES again. Come here. Click on this. So come here now. Also click on this. Okay, come here now. Remove this one. Is that okay? You can see how we are forming our panels. So automatically this place can be less, it should surely be less than 30 square meters, because this place is bigger than this place, isn't it? So automatically I don't need to waste my time in measuring. Is that okay? So I also come here now. Is that okay? So I'll come here now. Click on this, press this, then click on this, EX, enter. Sorry, EX, enter. Then come here. Correct, I have this, and then this one. Remove this, then EX, enter. So extend this one. Okay, You can see how we are going. So I'll come here now. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, I want to say please subscribe to our channel and also like this video. Is okay, because there are a lot of videos we have been releasing, which might not be, we don't have. Is that okay? You don't have them, but by subscribing, definitely you have access to those videos. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. So let's now look at this place again. Looking at this place now, let's confirm this place. Let's confirm here. From this point to this point, this is 6 by what? 6 by 4, 24. That's about 25. Am I correct? Around 25. So this place can go. You can go like this way. You can go this way. Is that okay? You can go this way. Then come here. Remove all of this. Remove all of this. Then EX. Enter. Then click on this. And let this one also go like this. Is that okay? Okay, let's confirm it again. Let's be sure. Let's be sure we don't have something bigger than expected. This 6.15 multiplied by 4. That's around 27 also, isn't it? So that is that. So I'll come here now. Is that okay? Come here. Remove this. Is that okay? And also this place, okay? Okay, this one will also run. I'll have to run this place all through. Though this beam of this one will come here and rest here. Why this one go here like this? Is that okay? So we can now connect. Is that correct? Let's confirm it. Let's look at it very well. Yes, that can be formed. That can be formed during construction. Is that okay? That will be formed during construction. Because if I say I want to follow this duct, I'm going to have a column here, maybe column here, so that this one can come and rest on this beam, and this one will come like this one come like. That's a lot of columns. Is that okay? So you can use it during construction. We can use slab, and during our detailing, we can bring out this shape here. Is that okay? So that's fine. So I'll remove this one. Is that okay? And remove this one also. Then EX, enter. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Okay, come here now again. Okay, then come here again. Okay, then that's TR, enter. Okay, let's come here. Is that okay? So this one will be formed. So that's not an issue. So come here again, do the same thing. Is that okay? Delete this one, then EX, enter. Come here again, come to this place again. Okay, let's confirm the place, which I believe is no more than 30 square meters. So this is 4 by 4 point something, so it's no more than 30 square meters. So I can remove this one, then EX, enter. So come here now, connect this one together, and also connect this place together too. Sorry, click here, click here. Okay, then come here now, click on this. I'm still going to be looking at it, even the architectural drawing, during our modeling. Is that okay? So that we can have a accurate result. Now come here again, coming to this place, you can see the shape of this. You can have this one here, you have this one here, and this one can come here, which means that this one will come here like this, while this one from here, we have a beam here, isn't it? So we are going to leave this place as it is. Is that okay? We are going to leave this place as it is, because if you have to follow this one now, automatically we are coming like this, and this one come this way, isn't it? Yes. Okay, yes, it can be formed. Let's see. From here, this is 4 point something, and from here 4 point something. So which means this place is less than 30 square meter. That means that we can have now have a slab, a wall sitting on this slab here, isn't it? So we can have a beam here, from here like this, isn't it? From here like this, and also beam come here like this. So we now have a what? This kind of shape of a slab. Is that okay? And our slab, we will do what? Our wall is going to sit on this. So I'm going to remove this one. Is that okay? Remove this one. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. And come here now. Remove this one. Is that okay? And also come here. Remove this. So I'm going to have my beam, something like this. I'm coming. Something like this. Let me remove this, the whole of this thing. Okay, so I'm going to have it something like this. Let me finish this one first. Then click on this one here. Then EX, enter. then extend this one, while this one also come this way. Can you see the shape we are trying to achieve? You can see it now. Is that okay? So then click on this EX, enter, then click on this and this one. Can you see what we have now? You can now see what we have. Is that okay? So which our dots around here, isn't it? Around here. So let me click on this, remove this, and then this one here. Okay, and likewise coming to this place now. I know it's less than 30 square meters, so I don't need to bother myself. So EX, enter, click on this and this one, remove these ones, remove this, and come here now, remove this, EX, enter. If I want to follow some shape, definitely you're going to have serious kind of columns. So you can now see what we have now. Now, based on what we have now, we are now going to superimpose it on the other side and now see what we have. Is that okay? We are going to superimpose it on the other side and see what we are going to get, which is very important. So don't forget, we have not done here. Is that okay? We have not done this particular place. Let me return it back. Reception. Let me return it back, and also this place. Is that okay? So all this one's the lobby. I don't need to have this one, so that's by the way. Okay, let me now copy my column. Is that okay? Let me copy my column. Then right click, select similar. Select similar. I can see that all of them have been selected, isn't it? So selected now. I will now click on CP, that's copy. I'm going to copy from this edge here. Is that okay? This is my staircase and this is my lift. Whichever one, that staircase or lift, I'm going to copy from this edge here. Then carry it. This, and come here now, and come here. This is where I pick it from, and put it here like this. Perfect. Let's escape. So you can now see what we are having. Can you see what we are having? Can you see perfectly okay here? This one is okay here. Remember, we are having cantilever, isn't it? Which is going to run through like this. This one's also going to run through. This one now also. Now this is where the EU now is. So which means that this place now, can you see what we are having here? You can see what we are having here, which means I'm going to adjust this one. Definitely, I'm going to adjust this one now. Is that okay? I'm going to adjust this particular column. Is that okay? So that I can have it. I can have something like this here. Is that okay? Yes, okay. Or I'll change the orientation. If I change the orientation, let's trace it. Let's trace it. This is what I have. Let me come here now. If I change the orientation, it's coming here, isn't it? It's coming here. I think it's better I change the orientation. Yes, we can change the orientation. And let's see what we are going to have. Is that okay? Let me change this orientation now. Let me change it to which one again? Okay, let me have something like this. Click on this. This is how you go about it. Is that okay? Let me see. I'm picking from this edge. Let me see. Okay, center here. Okay, let me pick from here. From this point here straight to this place here. If I have something like this, is it okay? Yes, it's okay. I can have something like this. I can have something like this. Yes, I can have something like. Is that okay? I can have something like this, so that this beam will come here, rest on this one, and project in order to affect this one here. Can you see? In order to help me have this one along this line. But if I have it along this line, for me to have it along this particular line, I'm not too okay with the orientation. Is that okay? I'll come back here now. I'm not okay with the orientation. Let me delete it, or let me undo it. Let me undo it. Undo. Okay. Let me undo it. I prefer having it this way. M, enter. Is that okay? So M, enter. They will shift this one a little. Is that okay? I'll come to this place now. Let me put this one and put it somewhere here like this. Perfect. It's okay for me like this. Is that okay? So I can now take this one now. CP, enter. From this point now, I'll also take it from this edge. This edge also, and come to this edge. Come to this edge and fix it. So you can now see what I'm having around here. Can you see the difference between them now? Is that okay? So this place, they will have a way of, can you see what we are having in this place? So I can now go back now. Let me see what I can also do. Can you see it now? This is how you go about it. Let me see what I can do. If I bring this one out. Okay, wait. This one is at the top. Yes, it's at the top. This is at the top, so no problem. So this column might not go up. Is that okay? This column might not go up. We definitely come to this place, isn't it? Which is okay. Is that okay? it's okay. We can leave it like this. Perfect. It's okay. Okay, so now this one is it's not going up, isn't it? So let's look at this place also. This one is not going up. So let's now look at how we can solve this area. Can you see this column? We are having this particular column here, isn't it? We are having this column here. This area, this is the place we are talking about that time. Is that okay? I'm going to do something now. Look at this place now. Let me confirm something from here. Let's confirm something from here. And let me also pick this one now. And pick this one. Pick this one. Pick this one. So just watch what I'm going to do. Pick this one. Pick this one. Pick this one. Pick this one. Then CP. Enter. Is that okay? Let me pick it from this place also. From this staircase area. Let me come to this place now. And fix it somewhere here. So can you see what I'm having? You can see what we are having. So automatically, based on what I'm having here, now, I'm going to change. Is that okay? I'm going to be having a column here. Is that okay? And I'm going to have, a beam that will run here and also run here. Which is now. So I'm going to be having a beam that will be running along this path in this place now. So I will now come here now. TR, enter, and try to trim up this place. Is that okay? And trim up this place. Trim up this place. Is that okay? So which means that I'm going to have a beam that's running here like this and also like this. Can you see it now? All through. You see it now? So if I also like, I'll decide to put beam here instead of you having a what? A beam from this point to this point and from here to this point. Is that okay? So you can decide to have what is your choice. Is that okay? So if I check the length, from here, from this point to this point, this is just 2, and from this point to this point, you can see it's just 4. Is that okay? 4, and this other side is also what? Around 5. So which is okay. Is that okay? So we can leave it like this. This is what we are going to be having. So I'll come here now, take this property here. Let me just have it here first of all. Match the property to this. Is that okay? To this. Let me see. To this. Likewise to this, and also to this. To this. Come here to this. Is that okay? So since I know what I'm doing, I'm doing the project. Is that okay? Doing the design. So I know what I've done here. Is that okay? So also match the property from here to this point here, to this point here, this one here. That's fine. Okay. So you can decide to put a column here and a column here, which means that this place there will be no what? There will be no column. Is that okay? It's just run from here. Let's now confirm. Let's see what we can do. Let's see something. From this point to this point is 4. Isn't it? It's 4. And since it's 4, this one is just a dot. We can use a small beam to achieve this, or even slab. Slab can achieve this one for us. Let's see. We can put a small beam here, a beam here. Okay, so we can try to put a column here. Is that okay? At this point and at this point, which means that this place there will be no column here. Is that okay? So I think that one is better for us. It's better for us, but let's check the orientation that we must have. The orientation that we must have. Where did I copy from? Which one did I copy? Let me see. Okay, sorry. I think we copied from here. The orientation should be along this side. Am I correct? Something like this, isn't it? So I have to come here now. Let's come here now and have it. Is that okay? So I'm going to copy this one now. CP or M. Enter. Is that okay? Let me first of all pick from I can pick from here and put on this edge here. This is what I'm having here. At this edge here. Is that okay? And also copy from here now. CP. Enter. Then come to this place now. From this edge here, to go like this. Is that okay? Let me use this one here. Is that okay? So this is what we're having. And also, let me see if I can have this one here. CP, enter, and come here. I'll use the center one here and fix it on this place. Okay, that's fine. And come here and use it on this place. Can you see how we are making adjustment? Automatically, this one I'll remove it. Can you see what I'm having now? What we are having. So what I will now do now, copy this one now. I'll select this two. And see what I'm going to have in that place. Select this one. Is that okay? Take your time to do this. Let me just say I can change the color to something else. Let me say I use green. Then CP, enter. From this same place here, this edge here. I go to this place now, come to this place and fix this one here. So you can now see, is that okay? You can now see what we are having at this point here based on the orientation. This orientation now is okay here. Is that okay? It's okay here. And if you look at it, the length from here, this one now orientation might not go with this. Is that okay? We have to change the orientation. Can it be changed? We also have to check also. We have to check orientation of this. Where is it? Okay, where is it? Okay, this is the column. Is that okay? After this, this one and this one, this second one. Let's come here. After this one, we are talking of this one now, which means orientation now have to change. Can you see now? So you have to change the orientation of this. That's RO, enter. Let me take it like this. Okay, then click on this, enter. I'll come here, fix it here. Then click on this one now, CP, enter. Is that okay? And come here, sorry. Click on it, CP, enter. Let me go and confirm this particular one in the same place. Come here now and fix it here. So let's see. So can you see now it's perfectly inside? Is that okay? It's perfectly inside. So you can see I've deleted it. I've deleted that one here. So that's okay. Alright, so having done that one now, so automatically this one can work. I'll delete this one here. I'll delete this one here. Now this one that I have here, can it be shifted to this? Let me shift it to this side. Is that okay? Let me see. Let me shift to this side. This from this staircase, we have 1 to the third one. 1 to the third one. From this lift, 1 to the third one. So which means that I can have this one here now. Enter. Then from this one now, I put at this edge here. So can you see what we are doing? So click on this one now. CP. Enter. Come here now. And fix on this one. And come here. And put this one here again. Click on this place now. That's what we have. Can you see what we are having now? So I can now remove this one now. Perfect. So you can now see it. You can see what we have actually achieved here, isn't it? You can see what we have actually achieved here. So since we have achieved this one now, automatically this one is okay like this. This 2 is okay. We have a 1, 2, then 3 and 4. That's 3 and 4. Come here now. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I can now change the color. Click on this one. Match the property with this and also with this. Is that okay? So that settles it. So I'll now come here again. You can see that we have 2 columns close to each other, but that's by the way. Let's go further. Let's come here now. Okay, this one is also okay here. This one is okay here. But the orientation of this one, since we are going to have projection here like this, I would have loved this one to go along this line. But notwithstanding, we can do something. This one now can go. Since I have this one here now, this one can go, isn't it? This one can go and now becomes a single beam. Let me go back to that place. Is that okay? Let me go back. Let me go back. This is the beam. So I can let go of this. Can let go of this. So I now have this one now all through, isn't it? I have this one all through. And also, since this one now is from here to this point here, it's long. It's long. Am I correct? Let me see. Let's confirm from here. 6 point something. Let's just leave it. Okay. Let's leave this. Because if I leave this one now, we have 2 of this resting on this. So let me just leave it like this. Okay. So having done this one now like this, let's see how we can check other things. Okay. In this case now, we say we are removing this. Am I correct? Have we adjusted this one? Have we adjusted this one? Let's see. Let's see. We have now adjusted this one here. This one, let me see. Where is it here? Okay. This is the column. Am I correct? This is column. So we have 2 options here. Is that we leave it like this? Like this. Is that okay? Which now enter here. But this upside, this place, this one continue from this floor to the last floor. Is that okay? It's better we only have it at the ground floor, projection at the ground floor, while the rest flush, isn't it? It's better we have this one on the ground floor projecting out. Is that okay? But the rest of the floor are flushed, isn't it? Based on the orientation. So let's now do something now. Let's now come here now. I think it's this one. Am I correct? Yes, it's that one. Let's see. After this one, yes, it's this one. We have 1, 2, 3, isn't it? The third one. After this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are talking of this one. I think it's this one. So I'll come here now. It's better I have it inside. Is that okay? Then RO, enter. Is that okay? Come here, have it like this, and click on this, enter. Come here now. This is center. Okay, and come here and fix at the center here. Is that okay? So let me click on this one now. CP, enter. Is that okay? So we have to see how we can achieve it. Is that okay? This is how you go about it. So I'm clicking on this edge again. Click on this edge again. If it's not the one, we'll come back to it. Is that okay? I'll click on this place again. Let's see what we have. So can you see it now? Okay, we are dealing with this one. And looking at this one is no. Let me undo it. Let me delete it. It's not this one we are working on. It's not this one. Is that okay? It's not this one. It's this other one here. Is this other one here? Let's go back. Is this other one, which is this one here? Is that okay? Which is this one here. So let me come here now. Delete it. Then also click on this, enter. So we can see how we are taking we are taking our time to explain it for better understanding. Is that okay? So RO, enter. Then rotate it. Yes, I have this one, enter, from this point to this point here. Okay, since we have this one now, let's now shift it. Since we have this one, I'm coming. Oh, I did not all selected. Okay, all right. So I'll now come here now. CP, enter. From this edge now, let's come to this place now and put it here. Okay, so you can now see what we have. So I can now delete this one now. Can you see it now? So you can now delete this one. So we now have a cantilever here, go like this. Is that okay? It goes like this, and this one also go like this. Can you see it now? We now have this edge automatically. This particular place now is going. We are going to have this place as what? As nothing's happening here. Is that okay? Nothing is happening here. So I'll come here now. Let me see. If I delete that one, okay, we have deleted this one here. Can you see? We have deleted it. So what I will now do now, I will select this one now. Let me select this one, then right click, select similar. Can you see now? So I'm going to delete this one. I'll delete this one. Let me deselect this one. Click here now. Can you see? I've deselected this one. So it's this one now. I will now press delete on my keyboard. So I'll press my delete. Correct. It's not going. What's happening? Okay. All right. So now I'll now repaste it back. Is that okay? To be sure of what I have, right click. That's how I go about it. Then select similar again. Then since I've clicked on select similar, I'll copy it now. CP. So you can now see what we are having now. Can you see? You can now see what we have. As we have pasted this here, can you see what we have now? So that is that. So here, this particular place, we are going to leave it. It's when we get to ProtaStructure. Is that okay? We are going to take the measurement and have it. Is that okay? From here to this place. Is that okay? We are going to do that when we get to ProtaStructure. Is that okay? This particular shape we are having here, we are going to do that. And all this projection we are seeing here, we are going to do that when we get to ProtaStructure. I prefer doing it in my ProtaStructure, one after the other. Is that okay? One after the other. Let's concentrate on this aspect first. Is that okay? So you can now see what we have achieved. You can now see the columns, how they are well positioned, and how our beams are going to be running, and also the slab. Can you see now this particular one now? They are going to be carrying this one here. Can you see it? And if I also look at this one, can you see the same thing? It has worked on this other side, which is this side here. Where is it coming? Here and here. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 on this side. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can you see this place now? This 1, 2 now. Can you see? It has already worked for this area here. Can you see it now? So which, if you look at it very well, it's also what we are having on this other side too. Can you see it here? So that is that. So that's why it's very good you know what you are doing. Okay, so we also have this particular slab. Then this particular place, what can we do to it? Let's look at it. Okay, I have this green up here, this one here. From this one here, let's count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5. From this staircase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the fifth one. Is that okay? What can we do to this fifth one? Let's see what we can do. That's what we can do. Yes, we can actually do something. Yes, can we do something? Yes, I'm already seeing it. We can do something. So from this point now to this point, this is what we have. To this point, this is what we have. Okay, automatically we can change this one here. bring this one, enter, is that okay, from the center here, and put it here like this, is that okay, so that this one will now run from here to this point, isn't it, which is this one here. Am I correct? So also, if that is the case now, so this one now can now be removed. Am I correct? Let's see. We can remove this one from this point here to this point. Can you see? Okay, so we can have this one, something of this nature. Can you see it now? Something of this nature. So let's now copy this one now. Is that okay? Let me copy this one. Let me undo it. I want this color here. So let me change this color. Let me change this color to this. Let me choose this color. Let me use this color. Let's use this color. Then CP. Is that okay? CP. From this place also, from this point here, let's go here and put it here on this point. So let's see. Okay, this one we are talking about. Is that okay? This is what we are talking about, that we said we can adjust, isn't it? So if we can adjust this one now, automatically this one will go. Am I correct? We can now turn the face of this one, isn't it? So we are now having we are now having this one going up. This one also be deleted. This one will be deleted. Is that okay? I'll change the color of this one now. Click on this, match the property with this. Is that okay? With this, and also this one now. I said we will now remove this one. We will remove this one here. Correct, which is okay. Which is okay. Is that okay? So I can now go back now and let's see what we have. So from here now, I can now delete this one. I can delete this one. Is it this one? No, not this one. Where is it? Where are we? Where are we? Don't let me be confused. Okay, see it here. So see it here. You can now click on this one, delete this one now. So I now have something like this. Is that okay? Click on this one and match the property. Can you see it now? So what I will now do now, I'll do the same thing. Is that okay? For assurance. I repeat, for assurance, right click on this, right, and then select similar. Is that okay? Since I click on select similar, I'm going to delete this one here and repaste. Is that okay? So I'll click on this one now. So I've clicked on select similar, sorry. So I'll click on this and select this one. Is that okay? And delete this one now. Is that okay? So I'll now bring this one again up. It's better you did it this way so that at least you'll be sure of what you are doing. That's when you have a big project. Is that okay? So, all right, because I want to see where I can have 98 to 99% column typical. Are we together? So that's what I want to do. So I will now come in now, copy it now, CP or so you can see what we have. I'm coming. Let me escape. So you can now see what we have. So I have to put a column here. Sorry, I have to put a beam here and this column here. And when we superimpose it, can you see it's at the center here? Is that okay? So this one that we have is on the first floor, so I don't need it. When we get to ProtaStructure, we will do that. Is that okay? So that is fine. So I'll come here now. Can you see it's very okay? So now coming to this place and let's begin to now name our axis. Name the axis. Name this axis. Anti-G. Can you see? That's Anthony Grid. Is that okay? So if that's the name of your client, so now I'll come here now, then select the column. See, can you see it's already showing me Anthony C, which is what? Anthony Grid. Sorry, Anthony column. So I'll select all of them if it's going to show me the same thing. Can you see? As I click on all of them, can you see it means it's the same thing. So which means that during ProtaStructure, all this one will be what? Anthony G, and this one and what? Anthony column. Is that okay? So that is that. So this is how you go about it. So till I see you in our next video, whereby we now enter into ProtaStructure. We are going to save this one. Is that okay? We will now save this drawing. Is that okay? And ProtaStructure, we proceed from there. So thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video, I want to say bye. And don't forget to subscribe and also like our videos and also comment. Is that okay? If there's an observation, it's very important you comment. Is that okay? All right. And we also have what we call a Ekidel group, whereby other engineers have come together to do what? To help one another. If there's any question, you can post it there and other engineers will respond. So thank you very much. Bye for now.